Ladies and gentlemen, you are most welcome in this video. We are going to discuss some of the key professions that are found in the computer science field. Well, there are many professions in the field of computer science. These include one, we have software developer. A software developer is a person who designs, develops, and tests computer softwares. These people work on application, system softwares, and the operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. And they also, as a software developer, you can also really develop mobile applications that run on both Android and iOS, and you can also develop web application and desktop application with Visual Basic and .NET environment. Then you can also, as a person who is really good in computer science, you can do web development, both static and dynamic. So when you are good at website development, of course, you will be so beneficial to many sectors. You can develop website for organization, government, churches, and many sectors will really need your skills. The other thing is that data analyst is also a profession in computer science. This is because a data analyst corrects data, process, and then perform statistical analysis on large data. This is when we talk about big data. So they use tools like Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel, remember I said, is one of the packages of Microsoft Office, and it is really responsible for data analysis. Then they also use programs like SQL. SQL is in short form is structured query language. It's just a language which is responsible for creating database and ensuring that data is entered into and then manipulated within the database. Then we have Python. Python is a language which is used to extract insight from data and create visualization to communicate the findings. Then we also have network administrator. A network administrator is someone who is really very important because this person is responsible for managing and configuring, maintaining, and computer networks. This could be both hardware and softwares, and ensuring that there's a lot of troubleshooting which is done in case of any problem, and ensure that all the system is reliable and really perform as designed. We have, of course, network categories or network types like the local area network, personal area network, metropolitan, and the wide area network, and different configuration. That's what we call topologies, like bus topology, star topology. So as a network administrator, you will have the knowledge on how to configure all this, putting in mind all the type of configuration and how to ensure that each and every person on the network is protected from cyber threats. So yeah, so uh, this is a very good profession, and I encourage each and every person who is looking at this to really go ahead, because it is something good. Then we also have something to do with cyber security. So cyber security specialist is a person who is really responsible for protecting computer system and network from security threats like hacking, malware, and data breaches. Of course, in the world of today, information is the key, and someone who get access to your information can really do something bad to you. And in the field of computing, we really take cybersecurity as a very important profession, because a person with such a skill is responsible for protecting all kind of data from these hackers and different kind of threat that originate from outsiders. Then the other thing you need to know is that of course you can be uh, a support, IT support. This is on a lower level whereby you support organization, you support different managers, and uh, in the case of any challenges, you can troubleshoot the computers and support them. Then you can also do repair and maintenance. This could be both on hardware and softwares. So as a person who is really professional in this, meaning that you can repair both all categories of computer ranging from smartphone, laptops, uh, desktop, large computers like mainframe and mainframe, so even servers and data centers. So if you can really configure this and repair all these devices, then this is also something really good. So I know computer science is really something good, and if you are there, you're done with high school, and you think that going into this field is something you are admiring, you are on the right path. You are on the right path because uh, the world is going digital, and having the skill or a profession in any of this is really something good. Like for example, if you I said if you can you can develop softwares, meaning you have the skill in programming, you know how to use these languages like Python, SQL, Java, JavaScript, jQuery, .NET, Visual Basic, C++, PHP, HTML. So if you know how to use these languages, then you'll come up with algorithms that will help each and every person who is really having challenges in whatever thing, and you'll be of high demand. So companies, big companies like Microsoft, Oracle, Google, Facebook, and Yahoo, Samsung, many companies, even market ventures like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, they are looking at people with these professions. Even the government, uh, they want people with IT profession. So I encourage each and every person, especially the high school students who are going at the university, I encourage you to do computer science because it is good and it's going to help you. And computer science, this skill does not change whether you are in US or you're in Africa or in Europe or wherever you go, the skill you have is the same, does not change. If you know how to program in Python, uh, that's the same language. It works everywhere. So just don't waste time. Just go ahead and register, start running, start programming, start coding, and hands-on, and then enjoying the course. Yeah. Thank you. If you still have any question regarding this, please feel free to inbox me, or you can also join our website, tebitalks.com. We have a team of IT specialists that can help you or guide you as you go in this department. Otherwise, thank you guys. I wish you well, and good luck. Good luck. Thank you.